1, 2, 3.
Oh, cookies. Mmm.
29, 30. Here I come. I hear something. Ha! Found you!
Why is this happening to me?
Hiccups happen when your belly muscle, the diaphragm, got a surprise when you ate too fast. It jumped and made you go hic. Hiccups can happen when you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or even laugh too much.
How do I stop it?
Here, try drinking water slowly, sip by sip.
Hiccups gone.